Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Rakuten Advertising for US affiliate programs, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Rakuten Advertising website. Look for a button or link that says sign up or join now. Click on this button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to select whether you are an advertiser or a publisher. Since we're focusing on affiliate programs, choose the publisher option. Next, you will be directed to create an account. Fill in the required personal information, including your name and email address. Choose a secure password that you can easily remember. Once you've completed the form, review the terms and conditions. Check the box to accept the terms before moving forward. Click on the Create Account button to submit your information. You may receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click the link to verify your account. After confirming your email, return to the Rakuten Advertising website. Log in using the email and password you just registered. Now, you will need to complete your profile information. Fill in details like your mailing address and website, if applicable. Make sure to include any social media links relevant to your content. You may also be asked to describe your marketing methods. Be as detailed as possible to improve your chances of approval. Once your profile is complete, review everything carefully. Submit your application for affiliate program participation. Wait for an email confirming the status of your application. Once approved, you'll gain access to the Rakuten Advertising dashboard. From there, you can browse various US affiliate programs. Choose the programs that align with your niche and audience. Apply to the programs you're interested in promoting. After acceptance, you will receive your unique affiliate links. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.